Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today our topic is subtracting 5 number digits, which is on page number 22. Question number 1 on this page is 6, 5, 3, 4, 1. Next number is 2, 5, 6, 4, 1. We have to subtract lower digit number from the upper number. So we will start from extreme right side. 1 minus 1, 0. 4 minus 4, this is 0. Now the upper digit is smaller and lower digit is larger. So we will take carry from the previous one. This is 4 and it becomes 13. 13 minus 6, this is 7. Now again 4 is smaller and 5 is larger. We will take carry from 6. It becomes 5 and this is 14. 14 minus 5, this is 9. And 5 minus 2, this is 3. So the answer is 39700. This is A part of question number 1, page number 22. Next part is 8, 5, 5, 1, 7, and the next number is 5, 4, 0, 8, 4. Subtraction. From extreme right side we will start. 7 minus 4, this is 3. Now 1 and 8. 1 is smaller, 8 is larger. So we will take carry from 5. It becomes 4 and it becomes 11. 11 minus 8, this is 3. 4 minus 0, this is 4. 4 minus 4, this is 0. And 8 minus 5, this is 3. This is part B part of question number 1. C part is 9, 8, 6, 8, 5, 8, 0, 4, 8, 7. Subtraction. Again from extreme right side. 5 is smaller and 7 is larger. So it will take carry from 8, it becomes 7 and the next number becomes 15. 15 minus 7, this is 8. Now 7 is smaller again and 8 is larger. So we take carry from 6, it becomes 5 and this becomes 17. 17 minus 8, this is 9. 5 minus 4, 1. 8 minus 0, 8 and 9 minus 8 is 1. This is C part of question number 1. Now I'm going to solve part number 8 for you. This is 7, 1, 7, 5, 3, then 5, 7, 1, 5, 9. 3 is smaller and 9 is greater. So we will take carry from 5, it becomes 13. 13 minus 9, this is 4. Again 4 is smaller, 5 is larger. 6, 14. 14 minus 5, this is 9. 6 minus 1, this is 5. We'll take carry from 7 to make 1 larger. 11 minus 7, this is 4 and 6 minus 5, this is 1. This is A's part of question number 1. Next part is J part. Nine, 2, 0, 8, 7. Next number is 3, 7, 5, 0, 4. Minus 7 minus 4, this is 3. 8 minus 0, this is 8. Now this is 0 and 5 will take carry from 2, it becomes 1, and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5, this is 5. Now we'll take carry from 8, and 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 7, 4, and 8 minus 3, this is 5. This is J part of question number 1, page number 22. The last part from this page I'm going to solve for you is L part. The question is 6, 4, 5, 2, 8.
Hello, sir.
Next is 5, 9, 8, 7.
Hello, sir.
Minus.
Hello.
You can see that in the upper number there are 5 digits, whereas in the lower number there are 4 digits. So we can use 0 by ourselves to make this number equal. So from extreme right side, 8 minus 7, this is 1. Now to make 2 greater than, we take carry from 5, it becomes 4 and it becomes 12. 12 minus 8, this is 4. It becomes 14. 14 minus 9, this is 5. Again carry. 13 minus 5, this is 8, and 5 minus 0, this is 5. This is the question I have solved for you from page number 22. Now, question number 2 on page 23. A part is what is difference between 65 930 and 29881. One thing must be kept in mind first, that if the statement is written in the form of difference between, subtract, find the difference, which number is larger or greater, in this all situations we have to do subtraction. So in this question the statement is that what is difference between this number and this number. So greater number will be placed upside. 6, 5, 9, 3, 0, and the next 2, 9, 8, 8, and 1. For subtraction we will place minus sign. Now from extreme right side, 0 is smaller and 1 is larger, so we'll take carry from 3. It becomes 2 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 1, this is 9. Once again we will take carry, it becomes 8 and this is 12. 12 minus 8, this is 4. 8 minus 8, 0. For subtraction we will take carry from 6, it becomes 5 and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 6, 9, this is 6, and 5 minus 2, this is 3. This is A part of question number 2, page number 23. B part is subtract 2, 3, 8, 7, 6 from 4, 0, 9, 4, 2. Subtract this from this. The number which is after from will be placed upside because this is larger number 4, 0, 9, 4, 2, then 2, 3, 8, 7, 6. Subtraction. From extreme right side, 2 is smaller and 6 is greater. So it becomes 3 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 6, this is 6. It becomes 8. 13 minus 7, this is 6. 8 minus 8, 0. To make your greater, we take carry from 4. 10 minus 3, 7. And 3 minus 2, 1. This is B part of question number 2. C part. What is triple 5, 0 less than 2, 5, 3, 3, 0. Means we have to subtract 550 from 25330 because this is 4-digit number and this is 5-digit number. So greater number will be placed upside. So 25330 and 5550. To make this number complete, we will use 0 from ourselves. Subtraction 0 minus 0. This is 0. 3 is smaller and 5 is larger, so we'll take carry. 13 minus 5, this is 8. And once again carry. 12 minus 5, this is 7. Once again. 14 minus 5, this is 9. And last is 1. The last part of this question. What is 87217 take away 508 sorry 56084. First one is larger number and second one is smaller number. So 87217 and 56084. Subtraction from extreme right. 7 minus 4, this is 3. 11 minus 8, this is 3. 1 minus 0, 1. 7 minus 6, 1. And 8 minus 5, this is 3. This is question number 2 on page number 23. Now moving towards question number 3 on the same page. In this question, 5 numbers are given to you. First number is 94735. Second one is 50348. Third one is 45083. Fourth one is 69514. And the last number is 84239. A part is question number 3. what is difference between the largest and the smallest number? So first of all, we have to find which number is largest and which number is smallest. 94731, this is largest, and 45083 is smallest. So A part is we have to find the difference between smallest and the largest number. So 94735 and 45083. Subtraction from extreme right, 5 minus 3, this is 2. 3 smaller, we will take carry. 13 minus 8, this is 5. 6 minus 0, this is 0. 14 minus 5, this is 9. And 8 minus 4, this is 4. This is A part of question number 3, page number 23. Next question is, what is the difference between two even numbers? You already know that even number are those numbers which have the multiple of 2 on the last digit. So this is even and this is even. We have to find out the difference between these two numbers. B part. The greater even number is 6, 9, 5, 1, 4, and the smaller one is 5, 0, 3, 4, 8. For subtraction, we will start from extreme right side. 4 is smaller, 8 is larger. We will take carry from this. It becomes 0 and 14. 14 minus 8, this is 6. Once again carry. 10 minus 4, this is 6. 4 minus 3, this is 1. 9 minus 0, it's 9. And 6 minus 5, this is 1. This is part B of question number 3. C part of this question is, what is difference between two of the other numbers? You can take random any two numbers and find out the difference between these two numbers. C part. You can take any random number. So 8, 4, 2, 3, 9 and 5, 0, 3, 4, 8. Subtraction. From extreme right side, 9 minus 8, this is 1. Now next 3 is smaller and 4 is larger. We will take carry. 13 minus 4, this is 9. Once again carry. 11 minus 3, this is 8. 1 minus 0, 0, and 8 minus 5, this is 3. This is question number 3 on page number 23. Now moving on page number 24. Question number 1 on page number 24. I will do only two parts from this page for you because it is also subtraction. A part and D part. A part I am going to solve for you, which is 63005 minus 46356. So 63005 46356. Subtract. 5 is smaller and 6 is larger. Before 5, this is 0 and again 0. We will take carry from the 3, it becomes 2 and this 0 becomes 10. To make this 0 larger, we will take carry from this 10, it becomes 9 and this becomes 10. Once again carry. 15 minus 6, this is 9. 9 minus 5, this is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. 12 minus 6, this is 6. And 5 minus 4, this is 1. This is A part of question number 1, page number 24. Last part I'm going to solve for you is part B, which is 558 24 minus 3448. 5, 5, 8, 2, 4, and 3, 4, 4, 8. First one is 5-digit number and second one is 4-digit number. So we'll use 0 to make this equal. Now subtract. 4 is smaller, we will take carry. 14 minus 8, 6. 11 minus 4, 7. 7 minus 4, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. And 5 minus 0, this is 5. This is question number 1, part B, on page number 24. Students, we have completed from unit 1 on the YouTube and unit 2 page number 14 to 20. If you guys didn't see these videos, so kindly it's a suggestion for you to view these videos to cover your previous topics. I will not explain these later on for you.
अच्छा तो उठेगी मैं जूम से बे मुर्सा जल्दी आओ
व्हाट्सएप पर जाओ, व्हाट्सएप पर जाओ यार।
Now homework, page number 22, question number 1. We have to solve this question on book. Next, page number 23, question number 2 on copy. Page number 23, question number 3 on copy. And the last, page number 24, question number 1 on book. Please do your homework in neat writing with date and day.
अब बोलो
एक्सक्यूज मी सर,
Yes.
सर मैंने पूछना था कि आपने 6-7 पेजेस तो करवाए नहीं वीडियो में भी। यस सर।
Will you please speak one by one?
Sir, what you are saying?
Will you please speak one by one?
Okay.
Okay, who's there?
Sir? Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
यस बेटे बोले तो सही।
सर वो जो पेज 18 है उसकी मुझे थोड़ी समझ नहीं आई, एडिंग 5 डिजिट नंबर्स। ना मत और आ जाती।
बेटे अभी जो मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया उसके अंदर आपको कोई मसला है?
नहीं उस टाइम तो नहीं आया कोई, लेकिन जो पिछला थोड़ा सा काम मुझे नहीं समझ आया हुआ।
कौन से पेज का?
इसमें जो बाकी दो का डिफरेंस हो पांचों में से
18
बेटे 18 के ऊपर तो सिंपल एडिशन है, आपने जस्ट ऐड करना उसके अंदर, और तो कुछ भी नहीं है।
ओके ओके ओके।
Yes.
और पेज सर पेज 8 पेज 8 and 6
म्यूट अच्छे सर
बेटे प्लीज वन बाय वन बोले, इस तरह मुझे किसी की समझ नहीं आ रही कौन क्या कह रहा है।
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
यस
अच्छा सर, ये जो आपने जो सारे पार्ट्स कर हैं ये सारे हमने कॉपी पर करने हैं सारे के सारे?
आपको होमवर्क नजर आ रहा है बिल्कुल सामने बोर्ड पे लिखा हुआ?
हाँ जी।
यस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आपने बुक पे करना है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 और 3 कॉपी पे करना है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आप 1 जो है 24 का वो आपने बुक पे करना है।
ओके।
आई हैव मेंशन ऑल।
और सर एक्सक्यूज
Yes.
मी सर, सर पेज 6 की जो नंबर लाइन है वो थोड़ी समझ नहीं आई।
बेटे अभी आप काइंडली जो मैंने पढ़ाया है उसके ऊपर बताएं, इसमें कोई मसला है तो।
नहीं उसमें नहीं है कोई।
ओके, एनी क्वेश्चन मोर?
सर
यस
राइट कौन सा पेज नंबर 23 पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, उसका पार्ट नंबर 3 पेज पे
थोड़ा सा लाउड बोले, मुझे आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
सर पेज नंबर 23 पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है,
पेज
उसका
नंबर
पार्ट
23
नंबर सी
क्वेश्चन
पेज
नंबर।
बता दे। पार्ट नंबर सी।
बेटा वो तो मैंने करवा दी आपको ऑलरेडी, आप देख लो उसमें। उसके अंदर आपका जो सेकंड वाला डिजिट है 25330 जो ऊपर आएगा और 5550 वाला नीचे आएगा।
सर लेकिन इसमें तो दो नंबर्स का डिफरेंस नहीं बताना।
बेटा डिफरेंस ही बताएंगे हम, लेस देन का मतलब क्या है कि आपने बताना कि उसमें से इतना नंबर निकाल रहे हैं तो पीछे क्या बचता है आपके पास।
तुमने
Yes, why is any problem now?
ये कौन है?
Yes.
जो आपने मैथ वो आपने हमें कॉपी पे जो आपका जो हमारा जो पुराना काम है,
Yes.
जो हमारा जो हमने पुराना काम के आपने करवाया है वो कॉपी पे करना है।
बेटे आप जो भी वीडियो देखेंगे उसके अंदर जो है ना एट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो मैंने होमवर्क पे मेंशन किया हुआ कि आपने कौन सा बुक पे करना है, कौन सा कॉपी पे करना है।
उस वक्त तो अच्छा टाइम करना ये तो क्या सही जो आपने सारा अभी गए तो
बेटे आपस में डिस्कस नहीं करें, जो क्वेश्चन है वो पूछे बस।
यार मुझे समझ में नींद में था। है ना
यस
सर, ये जो आपने सारा का सारा होमवर्क दिया स्कूल की कॉपी पर करेंगे?
कॉपीज लेके आ बेटा स्कूल से।
सर,
यस
सारा का जिस काम है जो आपने कॉपी बना दिया वो नीट कॉपी पर करेंगे स्कूल
Yes.
की? ओके। सर, पेज नंबर 23 पार्ट नंबर 3 पार्ट नंबर 3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 एक्सप्लेन कर दे। क्वेश्चन एक्सप्लेन कर दे।
which number is difference between two of the numbers? आपने इसमें से
सर, जो आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एल पार्ट आपने वो थोड़ा सा आपने गलत कर दिया।
वन बाय वन बोले प्लीज, वन बाय वन।
सर,
हेलो
जो आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एल पार्ट
बेटा सर के आगे भी कुछ बोलने की नहीं।
काम दिया है वो हमने उसे कर होगा। म्यूजिक
सर बोलते हैं सारे इकट्ठे बोलने की वजह से बस स्पीकर क्लियर हो बस
सर,
मतलब आज
तो आपने